Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is going to be a little short video. If you followed the first two on this, making this logo, I was watching it as it's playing back. I made a little, well, not an error, just something you could do a lot quicker. We filled this in with the Smart Fill tool, and what that did, that gave us the radius of the sun or the curvature of the lines, and then I took the virtual segment delete key and deleted those lines. Well, that took a couple of strokes. I wasn't thinking. If you select these and just go up here to no outline, those lines are gone. And they're just smart fills now. Now you would still have to, if you wanted to, delete these other lines to make it, to me, look better. That's just personal preference. But that just takes a second. And there's probably a way to do that. Let's see if we can go break curve apart. Let's see what our nudge factor set on 1 inch. So what you could do, because there's, and this is the same thing, there's no lines there, you can just delete those lines and then nudge this back. So that's 2 ways to make it a little bit quicker in this video. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.